3 teens killed in Rotherham car crash. Police in Rotherham, South Yorkshire, have confirmed that 3 teens were killed after their vehicle collided with a tree. On Sunday evening, a white Ford Fiesta going along Kiverton Lane off the road and crashed with a tree, according to South Yorkshire Police. At 6:10 p.m., officers were sent to Kiverton Lane, but the 3 individuals were declared dead on the spot. The relatives of the victims have been contacted and are receiving help from special officers, according to the police. At 6:10 p.m. today, officers were sent to a single car incident. When the automobile left the road and hit a tree on Kiverton Lane, it was near the Todwick Court intersection. There were 3 people inside the vehicle, all of whom were confirmed deceased at the scene. 2 were aged 19 and 1 was just 18. Specialist officers have notified and are assisting their relatives.